friends, welcome to Neurology Videos Learn by Seeing. Today we will discuss an important topic, that is visual pathway. We know that the special sense of vision, it is transmitted from the retina to the visual cortex by the optic nerve, that is the second cranial nerve. For each eye, supposedly this is a nose, we have the two eyes, these are the retina, right eye, left eye, right retina, left retina. Each eye has its own field of vision. This is a field of vision for the right eye, this is a field of vision for the left eye. In each field of vision we have the nasal half. If this is a nose, this is a nasal half, and this is the temporal half. Temporal half, nasal half. Okay, now the image of the nasal half of the retina, now the image of the nasal field, it will fall on the temporal half of the retina, and the image of the temporal field will fall on the nasal half of retina. The nasal fibers, they will cross. The nasal fibers, they will cross at this. What is this? This is the optic nerve, and what is this? This is optic chiasma. The nasal fibers, they will cross. The temporal fibers, they will not cross, they will remain ipsilateral. Now, what is this? This is optic nerve, this is optic chiasma. Now, this is optic tract. So, in the optic tract, we have the ipsilateral temporal fibers and the contralateral nasal fibers. Okay. Now, these fibers, they will reach important relay station, which is the lateral geniculate body. Lateral geniculate body has 6 layers. So the ipsilateral fibers, that is the temporal fibers, they will reach the 2, 3 and 5 layer of lateral geniculate body, and the fibers which have crossed, that is the nasal fibers, they will reach the 1, 4 and 6 layer of the lateral geniculate body. Till the fibers they reach the lateral geniculate body, they are in the closed bundles. Okay, we have this tract, right and the left optic tract. But after this lateral geniculate body, after relaying in the lateral geniculate body, they will spread out. So they will form the optic radiation. Now, in the optic radiation, we have the two type of fibers. These are the superior fibers and the inferior fibers. Okay, red one is the superior fibers. Superior fibers, inferior fibers. The inferior fibers, they will form a loop around the inferior fibers. They will form a loop which is called Mayer's loop, and they will reach the temporal lobe. Whereas they pass through the temporal lobe. Whereas the superior fibers, these are the superior fibers which form the Baum's loop, and they will reach the parietal lobe. Okay, so you should remember how these fibers they go. The inferior fibers will go to the temporal lobe, then they will reach the visual cortex. The superior fibers, they will go to the parietal lobe, and then they will reach the visual cortex. In the visual pathway, we have the optic nerve, optic chiasma, optic tract, lateral geniculate body, optic radiation. Then the fibers, superior fibers reach the parietal lobe and then reaching the visual cortex. Inferior fibers pass through the temporal lobe and reaching the visual cortex. So the last will be visual cortex.
Hello friends, welcome to Neurology Videos Learn by Seeing. If you are tuning to this channel first time, subscribe it to get the maximum neurology videos.